Followed by second quarter final match will be 7-star B versus Male Medalam. 7-star B Male Medalam. FSC Ironipura versus Stephen Friends A. Third quarter final match is the match will be announced later. What a save! Good attempt. Stephen Friends come back to the point. Now the point is 2. 1 point. Stephen Friends 2 point. 2-1. Again, committed mistake. The faulty service. Manivela had a chance to do the service. 2-all. One more point is in favor. Stephen Friends 3. Manivela 2 point. Final match. The first match. Arunachalam AT versus Crescent. Now, see the point is 3-all. Good receive. What fighting movement is going on? Oh, one more point is in favor. Another point is 4-3. Manivela, they are working hardly. They need to focus more point. They're focusing more and more points. Now the point is 4-3. Good receive, but doesn't control it. Stephen Friends favor the next point. Now the point is 4-all. Inspiration. Create an expectation by expectation. Now the point is 5-4. The point is 5-4. Stephen Friends 5 point. Manivela 4 point. Oh, lucky point was taken once again. 5 point now. 5-all. Both teams are getting same point. Oh, Manivela, good escape. Good point. Now the point is 6-5. What a comeback once again. Manivela 6-all. Sorry. Stephen Friends C team 6-all. Once again. Manivela working hard. Rushing the ball. Oh, now the point is 7-6. What a performance once again, Manivela. 8-6. Manivela fire. 8-6. But unlucky service. The point is 8-6. 7-8. The point is 7-8. Once again. 8-all. Stephen Friends created momentum. Good intent again and again. Stephen Friends C team Good approach. Manivela, 9 point. Team difference 8 point. 9-8. Wow, what a performance once again, Manivela. 10-8. Manivela, they're moving to 2-point lead. Now the point is Manivela 10 points. Stephen Friends now find a gap. With the ball 9-10. The point is 9-10. Sorry. Yes, 9-10. 1 point differences. Good receive. Good attempt. Oh, what a comeback. 11. 9. Now 2 point differences.
11-9. Line clear. Now
the point is 10-11. Stephen Friends 10 point. Money. Good receive. Make up the ball. Good attempt once again. Easy man. Power hitter. The point is in favor 12. Manivela 10. Stephen Friends C. Again requested service. Manivela 12-10. Good service. Again 11-12. Stephen Friends. The point is good attempt. The point is 13. Court change. The point is 13. Court change. Crescent. Both teams, please be get ready. Wow, what a comeback once again. Stephen Friends C team 12-13. Smart Phoenix Aniyan Vijay ஒருங்கிணைப்பாளர் அன்னார் அவர்கள் அறிவிப்பு மேடை அணுக அழைக்கின்றோம். ஒருங்கிணைப்பாளர் பாசமிகு விஜய் அறிவிப்பு மேடை அணுக வேண்டுகின்றோம். Now the point is 14-13. Stephen Friends right now leading performance 14-13. Yes, 14 all. The point is 14 all. The point is slowly moving on. Both teams are favoring at the same point. 14 all.
Smart Phoenix captain ஒருங்கிணைப்பாளர் திரு விஜய் என்கின்றாலும்
கமாண்டரி பக்கம் வருமாறு பிக்கப் பண்ணுவதற்கு கேட்டுக்கொள்ளப்படுகிறார்கள். Is 15-14. Vijay, very good job. Smart finish. The point is 16-15. Stephen Friends C team 16 point. Madivela 15 point. 16-15. Quarter final. First match Arunachalam versus Crescent. One more point is in favor. 17-15. The point is 17-15. Steve Manivela taken time out. Now the point is 15-17. The next battle, quarter final, Silver Star நடத்துகின்ற 2025 ஆண்டின் விளையாட்டு போட்டியின் இறுதி கட்ட ஆட்டம் 8 போட்டிகளை உள்ளடக்கியது. 4 குவார்டர் ஃபைனல், 2 செமி ஃபைனல், 2 ஆட்டங்கள், முதல் மற்றும் இரண்டாவது, அதை தொடர்ந்து மூன்றாவது மற்றும் நான்காவது. Now the point is Manivela 16, Stephen Friends 17. The point is Manivela. The point is the point is 17 odd. Manivela 17-17. Numbers mobile பார்க்க வேண்டாம், லைனை பாருங்க. 17 odd. The point is 17 odd. The point is 17 odd. Wow, what a performance once again. Stephen Friends C team. They putting oddly pressure. Manivela also filling the ball. Yes, the point is 18-17. Manivela is back to fire. The point is 18-17. Timeout asking. Now the point is 18 all. 18 all. The point is now the point is 18 all. Stephen Friends doing service. 18 all. The point is 18 all. Stephen Friends doing service. What a performance once again. The point is 19-18. The point is 19-18. Manivela, they are fighting by point. 19-18. What a bad performance once again. Manivela, Stephen Friends favor the next point. Lucky point. 19 all. Good attempt. Now the point is 20-19. The point is 20-19. 20-19. Manivela doing service. What a performance once again. Manivela. One more point. Stephen Friends. 20 all. Point is fighting by fighting. Both sides. What an effort once again. Manivela. 21-20. Unexpected moment. எதிர்பாராத விதமாக கையை சும்மா காட்டினார், வெற்றி புள்ளியாக மாற்றினார். சும்மா காட்டினார், வேணும்னே காட்டினார். வெரி குட். 21-20. What a block once again. What a reaction point of block. Lovely reaction. They react the ball with sensing the opponent player. Controlled block performance once again. Manivela. 22-20. Timeout asking once again. Second timeout. Stephen Friends C team. What a block once again. Manivela. Dominant block performance. Back to back fire. Stephen Friends 21-22. Manivela. What a performance. The last couple of the blocks. Turning point block. Stephen Friends try to raise one more point. 21-22. What a block. Yes, once again 23-21. Manivela again favor the next point. 23-21. The player is here. Now the point is 23-21. One more point. The second timeout. Now the point is 22-23. The point is 22-23. Stephen Friends C team. Good receive. One more point is in favor. 23 all. Stephen Friends. 23 all. The point is good receive. Power attempt. Good receive. Save. Oh, once again 24. 24. Maybe it's a set point. 24-23. 24-23. Good attempt once again. Fighting. Continuing. Again, momentum is created. Wow. What a comeback. Kai nattukala. Aadgalam fire. What a performance. Goes in the fire. Ingaga vandadu. 24 all. Commentary சூடு பிடிக்கும். Match going under pressure once again. The part is 24 all. Wow, what a expectation is created. The last move, 24 all. The last moment, control the player. The part is, wow. What a receive. Once again, what a receive. Brilliant attempt. What a comeback once again. 25, 24. Wow, match. What a match. 25, 24. Wow, match leaving with point. Injured person receiving the ball. With single leg. Absolutely brilliant. This is the spirit of volleyball. Absolutely spirit of volleyball. This is. Yes, it won by Manivela Titans. What a match. What a power attempt, Manivela. Once again, brilliant performance, Manivela. Set won by 24.